All right, in this video, we're going to open up the PERLESMITH large full motion TV wall mount. All right, let's check it out. All right, on top, we've got these things here that you wrap around your cords. We're going to put that over there. You got some instructions. You're going to need that. It comes with an array of different anchors, screws that you can use with various types of TVs. You don't need all that stuff. Don't get freaked out. This is half of what the TV is going to lay on. You get a little tool with it that you can work with. I didn't use that. And these go on the end of that other piece that I just pulled out. And there's also a couple of more extensions. This right here goes on the back of the TV, but you also get, check this out, you get a level with it. How do you like that? These you screw on the back of the TV. You see those hooks? That goes in that other part. Yep, there's the other one. So there's two of them that you put on your TV. And then you've got these two extensions that go onto the rack that the TV hooks are going to attach to. And there's two of those. And then this is the unit itself. And let me tell you, it's heavy. I mean, it's not light. So you're going to need some really good anchors to put it in the wall. Make sure you get it in 2x4s. I'm gonna stretch it out here so you guys can see what it looks like. And it's big. Underneath that is a template that you put on the wall to mark where you're going to put your screws. And that's basically what's in the box. This is the main unit that you have to screw onto the wall. And you can see it folds out so that you can turn it in a 90-degree angle. You can also tilt it. So it's very flexible, and it works with TVs as small as 40 inches up to 70 inches. Right now, all we got to do is put it together. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use this wall mount.